Listen up, y'all. I don't care where you are or who you're with. All across the world, open up this fucking pit. I don't wanna get married. I don't wanna be just like you. Nobody bothered to ask me. They said I ought to be just like you. Well, I could get a marriage license for a husband and me, so I could use the self-insurance for my HERT. Since I can file taxi with the same baby spouse, it shouldn't feel so bad getting kicked out of my house. Don't sell me a rainbow. Your market's never done shit for me. Don't want a seat at your table. And fucking invitation to your party. Wanna celebrate a game out on your cable TV. We'll trans lesbians of color taking garbage just to eat. You think the world can see us and suck on some dick. Well, all the kids on the street are getting nothing with kids. I don't wanna be equal, 'cause I know I'm fucking better than you. Your moderation is lethal. Get out my way, let me do what I need to. There's no protection, recognition sticking up out of me. Just all the presents do this is like Gabriel's routine. So fuck off with rainbows, got the American flag. The only colors that I need are the pink and the black. Dog Park Dissidents, thank y'all so much for watching. Be gay, do crime.